Okay, so in this video, we're going to follow up on the previous video, and we're going to write the slope-intercept form of an equation that is parallel or perpendicular and goes through a specific point. And the question that we have, y equals 4x minus 5, and the point is 1, negative 1. Okay, so we'll do parallel first. So what do we know about parallel? This line has a slope of 4, right? x1 equals 1, y1 equals negative 1. All right, so we want a line that's parallel. What do we know about parallel lines? Parallel lines have the same slope. So our new slope is going to be 4. I probably should have written this over here. x1 is a 1 and y1 is a negative 1. So these are this is going to be for the new parallel line. And we're going to start with slope-intercept form, y minus y1. Okay, so you see how here is y minus a negative 1? I'm just going to write it like this. Equals 4x minus 1. All right, this minus a negative 1 becomes a plus, and I distribute the 4. This is 4x minus 4. So now I'm just going to move the 1 to the other side. Y equals 4x minus 5. This is the equation of the line that is parallel. All right, so for perpendicular, this slope is 4, but the perpendicular line is going to have the reciprocal, negative reciprocal. Okay, it's positive, so it becomes negative. It's a 4, so it becomes a 1 over 4. And the x1 and the y1 are these, 1 and negative 1, respectively. All right, so you're going to start with point slope, y minus a negative 1 equals the slope to x minus a positive 1. All right, minus a negative becomes a positive. Distribute, distribute. Negative 1 over 4. Negative times negative is positive. So here we go. Now that we just have to subtract this 1 from both sides. And so in your calculator, you have to do 1/4 minus 1. And that's 1/4 minus 4 over 4, so minus 3 over 4. Forgot my x. Don't forget your x. And this is the equation of the line that is perpendicular to that original one.